is after. See, this is the question here. How did what trumped civil disobedience trumped? Here, several days later, Gandhi received a written communication, means a letter from the magistrate, and the magistrate informed him that the governor of the province had ordered that the case against the Gandhi ji has to be dropped. Has to be dropped. Which case? That he what? Where he has been where the incident of the court, the case against him of disobeying the disobeying whom better? Disobeying the orders of the police superintendent. Is it? And here, see, civil disobedience had got victory in the first time in the modern India. Is it? This was a very important line. You must underline that. Gandhiji and the lawyer now proceeded to conduct a detailed, far-flung means the detailed inquiry into the grievances means complaints of the farmers. Gandhiji and the lawyer now proceed. See, is it better? The statements, deposition means the statements by 10,000 peasants were written. Is it? Were written and the notes were made on the other evidences proofs. Documents were collected of those complaints, beta, those, right, beta? The whole
जी सर.
area throbbed means excited with the activity of the investigators. Who were the investigators? Gandhiji and the lawyers. Is it better? Okay,
Excuse me, sir.
right? Gandhiji and the lawyers. Is it? They
Sir,
were the yes, better.
sir, what is the meaning of far flung?
Detailed, better. Detailed. Is it? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Have you understand? Okay, right, my child. Is it? And then what happened? Documents were collected. The whole area was throbbed. Throbbed means excited and excited, right, beta? With the activity of the investigators. I've told you who were the investigators. And the violent vehement means violent protest of the landlords, and landlords had violently protested against it. Is it? In June, Gandhiji was summoned by, means called to Sir Edward Gate, the lieutenant governor. Before he went to meet him, is it? He, he, he went, he met what beta? His assistants, leading associates, who were the main supporters of him. And again, they laid a detailed plan for the civil disobedience, right? Remember the civil disobedience, right? It is a very important event that had happened where? In Champaran. The first movement of the civil disobedience has started there. Is it? And he told him if he should not return, if he should not return, Gandhi had 4 detailed interview. What he had made plan that what they have to do if he did not return means that he was arrested by whom? By the lieutenant governor. Gandhi had 4 protracted means detailed, long. Is it better? Is it clear? Right, better? Long interviews with the lieutenant governor.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you again explain the meaning of this, the last line only? If he should not return.
See, he has what was there? He was been called by lieutenant governor, right, beta? And he was very powerful person of the province. Is it? Gandhiji told his associates that what they have to, he made a detailed plan. What? That if he did not return from the meeting of whom, beta? Of the lieutenant governor, because he might have arrested him, right, beta? So he told what to his associates, what they have to do there after if he did not return back. He did not return, right, beta? Have you understand me? From the after his meeting from lieutenant governor, as a result, with the 4 detailed meetings with whom? With Gandhiji, appointed an official commission of
Sir,
inquiry. Beta, yes, me. Please let me complete
so
the
sir, who
paragraph.
was he in that line?
Who? Beta,
Who was he?
always remember when there who has been used, it refers to the noun that comes before him, before it. So here, who is been what is coming before who? Lieutenant
Governor.
governor. So who refers to whom, beta?
The
Lieutenant
governor.
governor. Is it
Sir, I'm
Aditya?
asking what he.
Huh?
Sir, I asked the meaning of na if he should not return. So who is he here?
Here it is Gandhi only, yeah, beta, Gandhiji
Okay,
only.
okay,
Okay?
okay. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, beta. Always welcome, my child. The commission consisted. What were who were the members of the commission? Commission is a what? A kind of a committee, is it? To inquire something, to inquire into a trouble. So what was there? Consisted of the landlords, government officials, and Gandhiji was the sole, only representative of the peasants, of the villagers, of the farmers, sharecroppers. Gandhi remained in the Champaran for an initial beginning uninterrupted period, means continuously lived for 7 months there, and then again for several short visits, and then again he made several short visits to Champaran. 7th month he lives there. He had to live there continuously. After that, again he had to make several short visits to Champaran. Right? The visit he has taken very commonly, casually, undertaken casually, taken very commonly on the request. Entreaty means on the request of an uneducated. Unlettered means uneducated villager farmer. In expectation, he was expecting that his visit would finish within few days. It would last in a few days, means would finish in a few days. Occupied almost what has taken almost a year of a Gandhiji life, means Gandhiji has to spend a year where? In Champara. Is it? Okay, he went there on the request of Rajkumar Shukla, and he expected that within few days, what will happen? It will his journey, his visit will be completed, but it did not happen. For first 7 months, he has to live continuously there in the Champaran for the for the trouble of the sharecroppers, and after that, he had made many short visits. Is it right? The official inquiry collected, assembled means collected a very huge, right, beta? Mountains, crushing mountains, a very huge evidence against the big planters. And when the planters saw, they agreed in theoretically, right, to make refund to the peasants. They were agreed to that they will refund the money to the peasants. But how much must we pay? They asked the question with Gandhiji. Right, beta? They thought he would demand the repayment in full money. They thought that Gandhiji will demand that they have to return all the amount that they have collected from the farmers. Is it? Illegally, unlawfully, and deceitfully means untruthfully, extorted means collected forcefully from the sharecroppers. But what happened? Gandhiji asked only 50%. Told them that they have to return 50% of the amount that they have collected from whom? From the sharecroppers. And there he looked adamant, firm, determined. Writes Reverend. Reverend is what, beta? A priest of a church. Right, beta? A priest of a church. JZ Hose, a British missionary. Missionaries are the what, beta? The saints, that those who come to for the publicity and the expansion of the religion, right? In Champaran, and who observed, who experienced, who noticed, who saw the complete episode very closely. thinking probably, possibly that he would not give way, means that now he would not agree, he would not surrender. The representative of the planters offered the refund of what? How much money, beta? Maximum 25%. And to his amazement his refers to that Reverend Hose. Is it, beta? Hose that what, beta? And to his amazement, to his surprise, Gandhiji took the representative at his words. He agreed. What the offer that the representative of the British planters has offered to him, and thus he breaking the deadlock. Deadlock means there was a what, beta? Deadlock here refers to what? That deadlock means that obstacle that was been created to finish what, beta? To finish the deadlock, to finish what? That concern, that agreement. They wanted to create an obstacle in the way, and they wanted that the the agreement, that the commission may not give any result, they may not reach to any conclusion if they will create an obstacle in the way of that. But Gandhiji, what he said he's agreed, and it, now they have no way except to pay what, beta? To pay that money, Say, Gandhiji explained that the amount of the refund, the money that they have refunded, was less important than the fact. What was the fact? That the landlords have been compelled, obliged means compelled, to surrender, to give a part of money, and with it, not only the part of my money, and with it they have also gave a part of their prestige, of their prestige. You know what is the meaning of prestige? The honor. Is it? Is it very clear to everyone? Okay. Where? Aditya. Now you may go through it and ask me what you have not understand. See what had happened. Gandhiji, the representative offered 25% of refund, and Gandhiji agreed. Is it? Afterwards, when the question arose why he has agreed on the 25%, Gandhiji said they have not refund only money, but along with it, they have given their prestige, a part of their prestige also, the honor of their honor also. Just a minute, let me complete the thing, beta. I will explain you, my child. Is it? See, therefore, therefore, as far as the peasants were concerned, the planters had behaved as lord above the law. Up to now, they were behaving that they were lords and they were above the law, and they were crushing whom? The poor peasants. Now, the peasants have also seen that they have rights. They have also their personal rights, their rights. And there were people who were there to defend their rights. You know meaning the rights? Adhikar. Is it better? Okay. Yes. He learned. He learned courage and he became courageous. Now ask me the question, beta, whatever you have. Just go through it and see. Any difficulty, you can ask me again.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
may you repeat the meaning of obliged?
Compelled, beta. COMPELLED. Compelled.
And
Any more?
prestige?
Huh?
Meaning
Prestige
of
is
prestige.
our honor. Honor. HONOUR. Why? Because up to now they were, see why they have submitted their honor. Up to now they were behaving as lords and they felt they were above the law. But now they were compelled to return the money. That was a big event. Along with it, what had happened? They were feeling lord, and now they were compelled to bow down. Is it?
Sir,
And that's why their honor was there. They have given a part of their honor too. Is it clear? Go through the whatever I've taught you. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me again.
sir, what is the meaning of deceitfully?
But I've told you untruthfully or by in a cheating way. Is it? Deceiving.
Sir, and why was planters behaved like God?
They were Britishers, and the British government was supporting the Britishers to rule to where to work in India, to rule over India, and to collect the money and send to uh, where to their country.
Country.
That was the only thing that the Britishers have done there when they have ruled over India. Is it? They have exploited our wealth. Whatever they got, they have exploited it. Right? You know that India was called what? The golden bird, the bird of gold. Sone ki chidiya. Is it? And so it has attracted whom? Everybody, every invader to come to attack India and to exploit the wealth of India. Is it? Right, Bida? And you can see
Sir.
what? Just let me complete my words. You can see that every foreign investor wants to invest in India because they find a lot of benefit. You can take the example of China. Is it? It is the big market for it.
Sir.
Is it? Yes, Bida, now ask me the question.
Sir, he learned courage. Who learned the courage and how?
Bida, he means the peasant,
Okay.
the villagers, the farmers, those who were crushed, those who were oppressed by the Britishers. Now they have learned that they have the rights, and there were the people in the country who were there to defend their rights.
So, sir, such a plural group of people are compared with he here.
Here it is. See, in the beginning you find what, Bida? Yeah. The previous line, Bida.
Yes, sir.
That what, Bida? Now the peasant saw. The peasant. When the da has been used with a what, Bida? With a noun. It refers to whom? To the whole class.
Okay.
You know the use of articles, Bida?
Yes,
When
sir.
a singular noun, when the da is used before a singular noun, it refers to the whole community. Is it clear? So when the peasant is there, that's why the he has been used with it, not a plural word. Any more question? Anybody wants to ask any question? No? Shall I continue? See, now it is a very important thing. Say what had happened within few years. The British planters abandoned. Abandon means left, leave. Right, beta? Is it? Deserted. What? Their estates. Right, beta? They have left there. They have what, beta? Deserted. Leave their estates. And what was the result of it? Gandhiji, what? Which reverted, that land was been returned. Reverted means returned. Is it, beta? To whom, beta? To the peasants. Which peasants? Who were the sharecropper of those lands. Is it? The land was been allotted back to those peasants who were there, beta, who were working as a sharecropper. And thus, what happened? The indigo sharecropping, the problem of indigo sharecropping disappeared. Right, beta? Is it clear? Right? Anything else, beta, do you want to ask? See, now it is the second part. That is also very important. And this time there was a 6 marks question in the boards from this part only. See, we cannot say this thing that it has come in the examination, so it will not return. Because I've told you earlier, there are 4 sets of the question papers. Is it? And it is not necessary. And in every set, the most probably, the essay type question, what happened, beta? They are different from one another. Is it? So it can be repeated, but this is an important part. You must take care of it. Just once you learn the things that I have taught you, go through the things that I have taught you, and then I am going to start the second part of it.
Sir, estate means
Beta, big farms, big fields. You know, Hindi, I tell you in Hindi? Khet. See, right, beta? The big lands were been allotted to the British planters. Is it, beta? And they are called estates. Is it? In the present time, you know, the estate, real estate is what? Connected with the land only. Is it? Say, now what is the next part? He saw, who he refers to, sorry, Gandhiji was never satisfied. Contented means satisfied himself with a large political or economic solution. He saw the cultural and the social backwardness in the Champaran village. You know what is the meaning of what beta political related to politics beta and economics, you know well, hmm? Related to that what money, is it? He saw culture and social backwardness of the society and in the and the backwardness that was prevailing in the culture in the Champaran villages. Cultural means in Hindi it is called Sanskriti, is it? That we get from where? The Sanskriti, that the traditions and customs that we are getting from where? From our forefathers. Is it? And what he find there? He wanted to do something about it immediately. He see what way the now he is giving the author is giving us the details. What were the backwardness that prevail in the Champaran? See, there was no school, so he called what he appealed for teachers Mahadev Desai and Narhari Parvik, two young men who have just become the pupil. Disciple means pupil, shishya, and their wives who came volunteered, who came by their own will to for the work as a teacher. Several more came from Bombay, Pune, and other distant part of the land, from the far distance of the land. Devdas, Gandhi's youngest son, arrived from the ashram, and so did Mrs. Kasturba Gandhi. What had happened? First, what they did, they opened what beta? Primary schools. And how many they opened? Six opened. Yeah, primary schools in what beta? In the 6 villages. Kastur, Kasturba Bai taught the ashram rules of personal cleanliness and community sanitation, means cleanliness, hygiene. Is it beta? To the people of the Champaran. Right beta? Health conditions were very miserable, very bad. Is it? Gandhi got a doctor who has come there who has volunteered his services. Volunteer means doing something on his own will without any payment. Right, beta? For 6 months, only 3 medicines were available there: castor oil, quinine, and sulfur ointment. Is it? Anybody who showed a coated tongue, a white tongue, a coat of white on the tongue, or something, right, beta? Was given a dose of castor oil. He was given a dose of castor oil. Castor, right, beta? Anybody with the skin problems, skin eruptions, boils and like that. Boils, if you don't understand, any type of foda funsi you called it. Is it boils? We call them boils. Or right, beta? Then what had happened? Received an ointment plus castor oil. Skin eruption, you can say something related to the disease related to the skin, you can call them balls too. My voice is clear to everyone? Yes? No? Ananya, what happened? Yes, tell me where you have not understand.
Sir, can you again start from coated tongue as it was like it was very low?
The volume
Coated
was very
tongue
low,
means
sir.
coated tongue means what happened? Our tongue, there is a particular kind of a layer, white or yellow something on our tongue that is called coated tongue. Is it right? And that tells us that something is going wrong in our stomach. Is it? And mostly you know better that most of the diseases are caused due to the our stomach problem. Many diseases. So when there was a white layer or yellow layer on the tongue, is it? Then what was there? Is it? They give them a dose of castor oil. Is it clear? Right? Okay. And then if there was what beta malaria fever, you know, malaria what malaria previously in the ancient times, malaria was one of the greatest problem in the people front of Indians or even many countries. Is it? So he received, what was the treatment for it? They give them quinine plus castor oil. Anybody who was finding any difficulties of skin eruptions or boils received an ointment. Ointment, you know, tubes that we are provided now. Is it? Plus castor oil. Is it? Gandhi noticed the dirty state of the woman clothes. The dirty, filthy means dirty. Statement conditions of the woman's clothes. He asked Kasturba Bai to talk to them about it. He asked Kasturba to his wife Kasturba Gandhi ji to talk to the woman about that. One woman took Kasturba Bai into her hut, right, beta? And said, "Look, there is no box. There was no box or almirah cupboard here for clothes." She told Kasturba ji that the sari that she was wearing, the only one she had. Is it? It means what? That reflects the the condition of the constant condition of the poverty in the Champaran, because they were not able to buy even a extra sari for them. Is it? During his long stay in Champaran, Gandhiji kept a long distance watch. Will take care of his on where on the ashram too. He sent regular instructions, daily instructions by post, mails by post. Is it? And asked what the financial account. That what is the financial account? How much their money they have get and how much they have spent. Once he wrote Once he wrote to the residents, the people who were living there where in the ashram, that it was time to fill the old latrine trenches. See, previously what had happened, there were not these facilities of the sewerage was not there. Sewage was not there. Is it? So what do the people do? They dig a deep small well and put a platform over that. Is it? So that what happened, beta? So that they can go refresh themselves in the morning at their homes. Is it? And when they got filled, what happened? They were buried up with the mud, and then new latrines were dug, so that the bad smell may not spread there due to those old latrines. And here the same thing is there. And it happens today also in the smaller cities and in the villages where there is no sewage system. It still exists in the modern India too. If you remember, our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Ji Modi, he has asked the people, he has started a movement what? To build what, beta? Bathrooms. That's where in their homes, so that people may not go outside their homes. It was a great movement that was started, and government has helped the people to do like that. And these latrines, those who were dug there, were in the villages, were like that only. Is it? The Champaran episode was a very turning point in the Gandhi life. Right, beta? It was very important because he said what he explained, Gandhiji explained, he did a very ordinary thing. What? He told the Britishers that they cannot order him in his own country, right? Because we are Indian and it is our country. But Champaran did not begin as an act of defiance, as an act of defiance means disobedience, is it? Right, beta? Right? It grew out of an attempt to elevate. Elevate means uplift. Uplift. Elevate means uplift. The distress. Distress means the sufferings of large numbers of poor villagers. And this was typical Gandhi style. Pattern means style. His politics was intertwined. Right, beta? Intertwined means weaved. You know weave? WEAVE. Is it beta? Weave. Is it beta? With the practical day-to-day problems of the millions of Indians, of peoples. His was not loyalty to an abstraction. It was loyalty to the living being. Abstraction, you know what is the abstract thing that cannot be seen? It is a feeling only. Is it beta? But here his loyalty was to the living human beings. In everything Gandhi did, he tried to mold, to change a new free Indian who could stand on his own feet and resist against the Britishers, and thus make resist against the Britishers means oppose the Britishers and thus make the India free and provide what get the India the freedom of India. Early in the Champaran action, there was a Charles Freer. Andrew, he was English pacifist. Pacifist means a peacemaker. Is it beta? Who has become a devoted follower of Mahatma Gandhi. Came there to say farewell before he was going to a tour duty to the Fiji Island. He was being sent on a tour duty to Fiji Island. Gandhiji lawyers friends thought it would be a good idea. It was a very good idea if the Andrew stay in the Champaran and help them. Where? In the fight against the Britishers. Andrew was willing. He also wanted to do that if the Gandhiji agreed for that. But the Gandhiji opposed it, vehemently opposed. See, the use of wars is not appropriate, what I feel. Is it? Gandhiji vehemently, forcefully, not it is violently, forcefully opposed it. He said, you think that in this unequal fight, it was an unequal fight, is it? They were powerful and we were weak, is it? It would be helpful if we have an Englishman on our side. Was it a great help if an Englishman comes on our side and help us? He said, no. We said, this shows what? That we have some weakness in our heart. In your heart means in our heart. Our cause is just. Is it? And you must rely means depend upon yourself to win the battle. And you must be confirmed and determined and depend upon yourself that you will win the battle. Because why, beta? Because our cause, our fighting with the Britishers was appropriate. Is it, beta? Just and appropriate. Is it? He had read our minds correctly, Rajendra Prasad comments, and they had no answer, no reply to give Gandhiji. Gandhiji in this way taught us a lesson of self-reliance, that self-dependence. Is it better that you must depend upon yourself only? Say, here it is one more thing, right? Self-reliance and Indian independence and sharecropper. Sharecropper were bound all together. Underline the these last two lines, last two lines or two lines? Yes, last two lines. There might be a question. You can call it a creative question, right, beta? The entire chapter will be the part of it, is it? Right? Now go through it and see if you have any doubt, any question that you want to ask me. Any question that you want. See, I have told you to underline the last two lines. If it comes, it will come the 6 marks question. Yes, beta Ananya.
Sir, what is the meaning of sharecropper?
I have to, yeah, beta, the entire problem of the Champaran was the sharecroppers. I have told you the sharecroppers were the poor farmers who take a part of the land from whom? From the big landlords as a rent or as a agreement of there are certain different agreements. Is it? They cultivate the land, right, beta? And whatever the harvest was there, they share with the landlords. Or if it was on rent, then they give that harvest as a rent to the landlords. And that's why they are
Sir,
called sharecroppers. Sharing the crops with whom? With the landlords from whom they have taken the land to harvest.
sir, crop means
You don't know crop? But
not, no, sir, not prop,
crop
PROP.
is a help.
help.
The form prop means PROP, prop or help.
Sir,
Wait.
just correct me if I'm wrong. Gandhiji didn't want Andrews to be in his side because he want to just like justify all the people that if he would be like अगर वो जीत
No,
जाते हैं
no,
तो
no,
लोग
no, no, nothing like that. He did not want. He told the lawyers, what do you think if an Englishman will come and support them? He said that their demand was appropriate, just, is it? Right? And they may depend upon themselves to win the battle, to get independence. From whom? From the Britishers. And he said that they should not find a help, a search, find a help in the form of whom? Mr. Andrew, because he happens to be an Englishman, that they should not find a help in whom? Mr. Andrew. Why? Because he was an Englishman. And he has understand what was going on in the minds of the lawyers. Is it? And in this way, he taught them what? The lesson of self-reliance. Self-reliance means that you must have the faith on yourself and you may depend on yourself and do that. Do something. Is it? And the
Sir,
last line, just a minute, beta. Last line, have you underlined? All of you have underlined? Yes, good, beta. Now, yes, who was there? Yes, ask
So,
me the question, beta. Yes,
so,
beta. Yes.
so can you explain this line? His was not a loyalty to abstractions, it was a
See,
loyalty to
abstractions means
living.
that abstraction is what? You know what is abstract? That we cannot see or touch, we only feel. Right, beta? So what is the feel? What we feel is the feeling. Is it? And here, what was there? His loyalty was not towards the abstractions, towards the feelings, but his loyalty was there towards what, beta? Towards the human beings. What is the abstraction? You
sir,
know what is? Yes, beta.
sir, self-dependence and self-reliance. What is the difference between both of these?
Self-dependence and self-reliance is one and the same, but here it is Indian independence, not self-dependence. Self-dependence and self-reliance, but that you are doing something, you have believe you can do it by yourself, that is self-dependence. Not, is it? You may believe on yourself.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Aniti, you must go through it and see. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now quickly. Go through it, beta. This part
Sir.
is also very important, right, bacho? So
Sir,
take care,
in both
beta. Yes, beta.
sir, in both